Hello everyone, hello Miss Yi. We are Group 11 at Science South Campus, tutorial class number 3. Today we are going to present to you about our assignment 3 and a little bit about us. Our group consists of 4 members. It's me, Min, Kuhn, Wong and Keith. So our final project is about an online phone store. So here is our shop. Here's our shop. So first, for our first features, it's going to show you all the items in our shop. This is an iPhone, a lot of phones, 20 different phones for you to buy. And for the second features, we embedded into feature 3 and 4. So when move to feature 3, you can search item by name and then you can list or info the specific item. For example, I want to buy iPhone. The shop will show me all the iPhones for me to choose. And for the fourth features is about search item by ID. So for example, I want to buy iPhone 12. I can input 6 in here like this. Boom. Okay, I have the info of the ID 6. Alright, and move on. I will introduce to you my friend Kuhn is going to talk more about shop.
So hello Miss Yi and everyone. So I'm here to introduce you guys about feature 5, which will list all info of store customers. So let's go. So as you can see, these are all the information of our customer. So we will move to feature 6. So let's input the product ID that you want to buy. So and next you need to input your desired quantity that you want to buy. I will go with 2. So I will input my customer ID. So now I don't have any vouchers, so I will go with no. Next, I will generate a voucher for a new member to our shop. So I will try to use it. So as you can see, the price has decreased from here to here. So the next part will be presented by Wong, my friend, and
So hello, I'm Wong. I'm here to introduce about features from 7 to 11, from 8 to 11. First, we have feature A, which is a restock item. It will check through the item list, and here I want to restock 11. There will be a timer run up. We just to wait for the timer to run out, and it will show finish restocking. Here we can check the list of items. You can see it has already been restocked. For feature 9, we'll have a check membership and discount by customer ID. Here you can input an ID depending on which one you want. Here we can check for 2 with a silver member and have a discount 5%. For feature 10, which is a add new member feature, I can just type in my name, email, address, and my phone number, which will be shown here, but that's my ID 7. And we can check for the all the list, as you can clearly see here. And for the feature 11, which will just end our program. So next up is Kiệt, who will explain all the bugs we have encountered during our time working.
And that is the end of our feature in our online phone store. And now my name is Kiệt. I will talk about the obstacle that we have made in the coding process. First 6 feature as known as your requirements. We doesn't make any troubles at all, but except the feature 4. So we are going to the feature 4, and if we input the items ID, as you know, our shop have 20 items from 1 to 20. So for example, when tapping 0 on the screen, it will bring the error on the screen and require us to type again. And if I type in 21, it will doesn't exist too. And until I type the valid number of the product, for example, is 4, so the program will print out the item with ID is 4. And the second feature that we have made the obstacle is 6. So for example, when we input the product ID is 0, it will print out the error as same as the feature 4. And the final feature that we made the obstacle is feature 9 and 10. So when we input the customer ID, if we input 0, it will print out the error too. And if we doesn't type in anything, it also print out the error. And move to the final feature of our shop. It is the feature 10. For example, if I type in the first name and last name and some letters beside it, it will just take the first name and last name as known as the first 2 letters. For example, in this line, it just take Kiệt Trương and save it to the database and doesn't take the beside letters. And to the email address, if we input the letters, it will invalid, or if we input the numbers, it will invalid too, until we type in the valid email address. Like this is example, it will agree our email. And the address. And your phone number, when we input the letters, it will invalid until your input is right, your phone number. It will add it to the database. And that is our online phone store. We have talked about the 6 features of your requirements, and for custom feature of our thinking is the random voucher and product restock, membership, and adding new member to the shop. And we really appreciate for your attention, and we wish you have a nice day.